Welcome to Get Mojo, where we do the research so you don't have to. In this video, we're giving you 5 things we think you should know before buying into the Beats Fit Pro Kim Kardashian range. Big-name celebrities are always collaborating with fashion and tech brands, and this particular partnership has superstar Kim Kardashian joining forces with audio bigwig Beats to create a unique set of earbuds. So, what should you know about these earbuds if you're looking to buy them? How different or similar are they to regular earbuds? Well, stick around, because we've taken a close look at the specs to give you 5 things we think you should know. They come in 3 unique colorways. This is what really sets these earbuds apart. Kim's idea for these was spawned by the fact that she couldn't find any earbuds in skin tones. So she spoke to Beats and decided to launch her own range. The 3 unique colors on offer for Kim Kardashian Beats include Moon, Dune, and Earth. Kardashian also emphasizes that these earbuds are a fashion accessory, as well as a way to listen to music. They have impressive battery life. These earbuds are built on the Beats Fit Pro platform, which means all of the tech specs are the same. Thankfully, the Beats Fit Pro range offers some pretty impressive features. In terms of listening time, you're looking at around 6 hours per earbud. And with the charging case, you can boost up the battery life significantly. And speaking of recharging, in a pre-workout pinch, a 5-minute recharge can deliver up to 1 hour of playback. They feature noise canceling and transparency modes. These features really help set the Beats Fit Pro apart from your standard earbuds. Active noise canceling, or ANC, effectively cancels out background noise while you're listening to music or taking calls, so your listening experience is uninterrupted. If you're working out in a noisy gym, for instance, ANC is a game changer. Transparency mode, on the other hand, actually lets outside noise in, which is handy if you want to chat with somebody without taking your earbuds out. They feature spatial audio. You may have heard the term spatial audio being thrown around a lot, but what is it exactly? Well, it allows for a more immersive listening experience, akin to that of a movie theater-style surround sound, as opposed to regular left and right stereo sound. When listening to music, podcasts, or watching a movie, spatial audio will give you the impression of sound traveling all around you, seamlessly swooping from one ear to another. For audiophiles looking to take their listening experience to the next level, this is the way to do it. They're made for workouts. Impressive tech specs are great, but how do they fare in an intense gym workout? Well, the Beats Fit Pro offer a wingtip fit, which adds extra security in the ear. And when combined with the different sized ear tips in the box, you'll be able to find a fit to suit you. These earbuds are also IPX4 water and sweat resistant, and they have a variety of handy on-ear controls for things like track skipping and playing and pausing music. You can also operate hands-free Siri functions via voice commands. So are you going to take the plunge and buy some Kim Kardashian Beats? If so, which of these 3 unique colorways are you going to go for? Stay tuned to Get Mojo for the most complete video product reviews.